Hello, I'm Chris. This is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 19 of Building the Batmobile. This issue, we're going to be doing some more work to the suspension on one side of the back of the wheels. Yeah, it's got to be the back wheel. It's got the engine in it. The perfect crime. This is obviously going to be Catwoman appearing the first time, I believe, in this series. When was this? This was March 16th, 1966. Yep, all good stuff there. And then obviously looking at One Bullet Too Many in the Batman series. A different time zone in there. Batman Year by Year. I'm going to read those. Pause and zoom in and do what you need to do to be able to see it all, but it should all be clear enough for you. There we have that. So yes, this is the car parts. What has it got? It's page 19. In this part, it covers for the chassis and the stabilizer. Ah, yes, because the chassis got open pieces, so we're putting some covers in to cover over some of that. Yeah, bits to cover over both sides, and then a stabilizer bar being fitted in a couple of places. Yeah, that's fairly straightforward. Let's clear it out of the way and get to it. Right, here we have today's parts, some screws, which we're going to be using those in a little while. We're going to be using these more now. We've got to put these brackets in place. We've got basically 2 screws on each one. Let's get lots of screws out there. They're obviously fitting onto here. They are covering over these areas here, that one there, that one there, that one over this side, not quite as long as that other one. Needs to go through on the other side anyway. One there. Drop into place. No, that's the other side. That's that one, that side. There we go. That drops into place there. And this slightly longer one obviously goes over that side. Like that. So let me get those screws in place, and then we'll see about fitting the stabilizer bar. Right, that's all of those attached, covering up everything, looking nice. We've got to fix these 2 bars in place first, before the bracket gets attached to them. So we've got 1 screw for each side of this, and they are going onto these little brackets that we put on there back when. So we've got the side obviously with the screw hole going in there. Oh, not in there. Let's keep hold of those because I'm going to need them in a minute. But the side with the screw hole going in there, screw coming through on the other side. Come on, get back on there. Right, come on, screw coming out. Need some more light on this bit as well. Right, let me get these attached and the one on the other side, and then we'll see about threading the bar through. Right, that's both of those attached onto there. Then we need this to fit through. Now that goes through on the other side, so tricky to get through. Basically threads through about there, but it's got to go the other side of that, the other side of all the wires and cables and the fan and things. So it's a case of getting it twiddled through. Sort of like that. Through that bit. Now this is only plastic, so it will bend and rotate and twist through there. Get that through that bit. Go. And then over there. This is going to take a little bit more manipulation. Oh no, I can move that. Forgot about that bit. There we go. I'll move them, make it easier. Then that locks on to these 2 bars. Clips in place. Just clips in place. It's easy. across the top piece there, like that, on both sides. And then these brackets go onto there, hold it all together. Get the other side done as well. Clipped on there you go. That then lines up with that. That goes over it, and 2 of the AM screws hold it in place. I can't do that while I'm holding it like this, so I shall get that done and show you what it looks like when it's finished. So there we have it. A little bit tricky getting everything connected together, but it's all done. That bar is now fitted in there to the lower suspension units, and that is that. That is another issue completed. Next time we're going to be fitting the top suspension unit to one side, I believe. I don't know if we've got the entire bar to fit, but certainly the springy areas I think is the next thing. So join me for that very soon. Thank you for watching. Stay safe. I'll see you soon. Bye bye for now.